evening that still have spots left in them for everybody. That way they don't have to go scrounging around for them if they want to buy some spots in what we've got left. But let me see here. Yeah, it is definitely a couple minutes past 7. So let's get started with our 21 Tops Chrome Sapphire Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We'll randomize that list 5 times, and then we'll match that up against a numeric checklist from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and number 5. And we've got JORE 2012 in the top spot. Hey, Jonathan, how are you doing this evening? So we're going to take that list from random.org. We're going to cut and paste it next to our numeric checklist for the product. Blow that up a little bit so it's easier to read. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this list, a random list, we're going to cut and paste it over to the right and sort it by everyone's eBay IDs. And then we're going to scroll through that list, and it'll be in alphabetical order, and everyone can see who they have in the break. Hey, Mr. Grubbs. How are you doing this evening? I do know there's quite a few folks that are breaking with us for the first time in this break. So if you happen to be with us in the live stream and have any questions or anything like that, please let me know. So here's our list, and it's sorted by everyone's eBay IDs in alphabetical order. We're just going to scroll through that briefly before we tear into our box and see what we get. Oh, you're in the Panini Black, Mr. Grubbs? Gotcha. Hey, Michael. How are you doing this evening? Fantastic, Michael. Good to see you. Thank you for joining us this evening. Yeah, but you never know what kind of parallels you might get, Towers Crew. Just like with any chrome product. Alrighty, so now that we have been through our list, oops, wrong button, there we go. Let's open up our box and see what we get. Good luck, everybody. Here are 8 packs. Pack number 1. We'll go ahead and sleeve all these as we go. First card is Lucas Giolito. And if you happen to miss anything, don't worry. I'll recap everything at the end. We'll go back through the list and see who got which cards. So, Colin Moran. Rafael Montero. And the last card in the pack is CJ Cron. Pack number 2. Thank you to whoever hit the like button. As always, it's appreciated. First card is Jose Abreu. Second card is the Atlanta Braves team card. And then our next card is a Drew Rasmussen rookie. And our last card in the pack is Tanner Roark. Which card, Mr. Grubbs? First card is Byron Buxton. Next card is a Shane McClanahan rookie. And then next is, how about that? A Alex Kirilloff rookie autograph. How cool is that? That is awesome. Alex Kirilloff. Definitely one of the better rookie autographs to get out of here. Awesome. Fantastic. So, Mr. Grubbs, and our last card in the pack is Miguel Tejura rookie. This is a little different than most of our random player breaks because we're doing this with the set checklist. So it would go to whichever number, and you'll see that when we go through all the cards. Next pack. And our first card is a Miles Mikolas. And then next we have a red parallel of Brad Hand. Let's see what that is. Serial number 2. And that is serial numbered 5 of 5. How about that? Not too shabby. 5 of 5. Then our next card is Justin Turner. No problem, Mr. Grubbs. This one's a little different than most of our random player breaks. Whereas we just usually use a player list from the product. And then our last card in the pack is a Jonah Heim rookie. Pack number 5. Well, I feel like this is a smidge anticlimactic since we've already got our autograph and our parallel. Although our rookie autograph was awesome. Jose Ramirez. Brian Goodwin. And then our next card is Antonio Cinzatella. And our last card in the pack is Austin Hedges. Pack number 6. Oh, there's a nice one. Aaron Judge. And the next is Charlie Blackmon. And then our next card is Jeff Mathis. Got the nice old school Rangers uniform there. Yeah, 5 of 5. That was pretty cool. And then our last card in the pack is Jared Dyson. And the beautiful 1982 White Sox retro jerseys. Pack number 7. Now it looks like we've got an extra parallel in this box. How about that? How about that? First card is a Cody Whitley rookie. And then we have a orange parallel of David Price. How about that? Second parallel in our box. Serial numbered 19 of 25. 19 of 25. How cool is that? Then next we have Cole Calhoun. And then our last card in the box is a Johan Oviedo rookie. Johan Oviedo. Last pack. First card is Lewis Brinson. Yeah, Towers, didn't you say you had Price? Ooh, how about this? A little Ke'Bryan Hayes rookie. Excellent. Very nice rookie card. And then we have Robbie Grossman. And then our last card in the box is Daniel Norris. Alrighty, so now that we have opened all of our packs, let's go back on our list and see who got which cards. I'm going to go through these numerically real quick, just because it makes it a lot simpler going through all of them since there are 32 cards. It'll just take me a second. All right, so let's see here. Our first card is Charlie Blackmon. Ooh. And that goes to Derek DeBlay. Congrats on that. And then next is Byron Buxton. And that goes to SCES2880. Congrats on that. And the next is Lucas Giolito, and that goes to Mercedes Sports Cards 1. Congrats on that. And the next is Brian Goodwin, and that goes to Mabu6675. Congrats on that. And then next is Aaron Judge, and that goes to Burkow78. Congrats on that. And then next is Colin Moran, and that goes to RP3468. Congrats on that, Artie. And then next is our Cody Whitley rookie, and that goes to DeMac4623. Congrats on that. And then next is Lewis Brinson, and that goes to SCES2880. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is Miles Mikolas, and that goes to JSJSI. Congrats on that. And then next is the Atlanta Braves team card, and that goes to Boston N3. Congrats on that. And then next is Jose Abreu, and that goes to 66R5S40. Congrats on that. And then next is Jared Dyson, and that goes to Brandon AI4. Congrats on that. And then next is Jeff Mathis, and that goes to Broth488734. Congrats on that. And then next is Jose Ramirez, and that goes to JPG6832. Congrats on that. And then next is Justin Turner, and that goes to GabGur87. Congrats on that. And then next is Drew Rasmussen rookie, and that goes to Jor2012. Congrats on that. And then next is our Shane McClanahan rookie, and that goes to DeMac4623. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is Antonio Cinzatella, and that goes to Bomar8875. Congrats on that. Card Vault, we're just in the middle of that right now. We've already opened the packs, and we're going through the list, seeing who got which cards. But if you rewind the live stream about 22 minutes, it will take you back to the beginning. All right, so our next card is CJ Crone, and that goes to ABA481. Congrats on that. And the next is Robbie Grossman, and that goes to Steph's 33. Congrats. And then next, is Cole Calhoun. And that goes to Alex Shua 81833. Congrats on that. And then next is Tanner Rourke. And that goes to Brandon AI4. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is our Johan Avido rookie. And that goes to Socks Are For Me. Congrats on that. And then next is Daniel Norris. And that goes to Burkow 78. Doubling up. Congrats on that. And then next is Austin Hedges. And that goes to Socks Are For Me. Doubling up also. Congrats on that. And then next is our Miguel Yajur rookie. And that goes to Cordy Webel 0. Congrats on that. And then next is our Jonah Heim rookie. And that goes to Height KG or KJ. Congrats on that. And then next is Rafael Montero. And that goes to US 215 Phil B. Congrats on that. And then our last base card is Archie Brian Hayes rookie. And that goes to This Life Is Hard. It certainly is. Congrats on that. So then next we've got our 2 parallel cards. Our first one is our Red Brad Hand, serial numbered 5 of 5. And that goes to Boston in 3. Congratulations on that. Very nice. And then next is our David Price Orange Parallel, serial numbered 19 of 25. And that goes to Brato 11. Congrats on that. And then last but certainly not least is our Alex Kirilloff rookie autograph. So I got to scroll down to my little cheat sheet section here below my list, and I have all the rookie autographs with their base set card numbers. So I know how to quickly assign the card. And that goes to Brandon AI4 with the triple. Congratulations on that. Very nice card. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 21 Topps Chrome Sapphire Baseball Random Player One Box Break number 1. Thanks to everybody that bought spots in the break. As always, we appreciate you all supporting our breaks the way you do. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. And we'll be back here in about 5 minutes with our 2021 Panini Black Basketball Random Player One Box Break number 3. Thanks again, everybody. Well, I have to say, I thought that was a pretty nice box with that Kirilloff and a couple of parallels and the Brian Hayes rookie. That was pretty nice. Thanks to our crew. I am going to update our list since we've got a few minutes before our next break. Thanks to everybody picking up those extra spots.